Good morning, everybody. I always show you guys videos on Savings Star, usually on Sundays, but since it's a new month, Savings Star usually adds some good deals. So let's just dig in and show you guys what I got. Now, I got oranges. They usually give you a healthy offer like in the middle of the week. Splenda Stevia Naturals, I'm going to add that because I don't think that's going to be on Checkout 51. I don't know why it does this. I'm looking through it through my camera. The Tostinos, the El Paso, I usually add those because those are never on Checkout 51. So if you guys want to do that. Same thing with Bugles. And we got Hamburger Helper, You'll Play, which I'm going to add these because I never see these on Checkout 51. Sorry, my camera's a little shaking. The we got 30 cents. No other You'll Play. Takes forever to add these. Gushers, Fruit by the Foot or whatever. Fiber One I never get. Epic I'll probably never get. Canadian Farm never get. Now here they got some Dove products. I am not going to add those because I have a feeling they're going to probably be on Checkout 51. And what Savings Star only lets you use the deal once. Checkout 51 usually resets. You guys could do the deal multiple times. Same thing like right here. Buy 3 Chewy Mentos. That deal's on Checkout 51. So it keeps resetting on Checkout 51. You can only do this deal once. So if you guys have your accounts, it's funny. They're kind of linked together even though it's 2 different companies. So once you guys add it to your Savings Star, then you go to Checkout 51, it's gone, or it says not available or 0 remaining. So that's why you guys go on your app and it says 0 remaining. It's because you added it on Checkout 50, or you added it on Savings Star. So we got some Sargento cheese, which I think is also on Checkout 51. The Goya, I'm not really a big fan of. Oreo bar, again, this is also on Checkout 51. I'm not going to add that because I can do that deal multiple times on the Checkout 51 app. Atkins, which I never get. Land O'Lakes butter, 40 cents off the K-Cups coffee. Udi. Now I think this is also on Checkout 51, but I can't remember. I think this is too. So yeah, I know the Magnum is. The Love and Beauty is. The Turkey Hill ice cream, I can't remember if that's on there, but Clorox I know is. The Lemon is. The Suave is. A lot of this stuff is on that app, so that's why your guys' Checkout 51 says 0 remaining, but this is all that I have on Savings Star. That's the stuff that I'm adding. Your guys' Savings Star might be a little bit different, but I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.